Here your machine is ready. Now this is the controller system, and this is wax temperature controller and heat temperature controller. You can set the temperature according to your requirement. Yes, you can according to your melting point to set it, such as if you are soya wax, so you can set the temperature to 80 85 Celsius degree. Yeah, press the up button to increase the temperature. Yes, after it is set, you can press set, and this is the real temperature. And it is start to working now. Okay, and this is for the wax temperature. Wax temperature means the pouring temperature. You can according to your requirement to set it, such as 65 Celsius degrees. So you can press set and press the bolt uh, below button to decrease the temperature and set. This is the real temperature. And here is the heater switch, power switch, and power adjuster. Power adjuster means when you start to heating, you can turn to the maximal, and when melted fully, you can turn to lower, such as 10, 20, or 30, according to your requirement. Yes.